For years, FPV pilots have been forced to choose adrenaline-fueled flight or high-quality cinematic capture. You flew with a GoPro strapped on, hoping your shot was framed perfectly. You accepted the risk of crashing a secondary camera. You lived with limits. That era is over. We are staring down the barrel of a drone that is not just an upgrade, but a hostile takeover of two entire industries: FPV Cinewhoops and 360-degree cameras. This is the DJI Avata 360. And for the next 30 minutes, we are dissecting the classified specs that prove this is the most critical drone release of the decade. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Forget Avata 2. Forget stacking an action camera on top. The Avata 360 is DJI's boldest answer to the creator's demand for freedom, and the internal leaks, now corroborated by FCC filings and supply chain whispers, are nothing short of spectacular. Let's begin with the heart of the revolution, the camera system. The Avata 360 isn't just an FPV drone, it's a dedicated 360 camera that flies. Leaks confirm a dual-lens system housed in a physically rotating gimbal module. That's right. A press of a button, and the dual lenses rotate 90 degrees, allowing you to switch instantly between pure, immersive FPV flight and full, spherical 360 capture. And what resolution are we talking about? We are looking at native 8K 360-degree video capture at 50 frames per second. This isn't upscaled. This is the quality of a dedicated high-end 360 camera, integrated seamlessly into a Cinewhoop-style airframe. Think about that workflow. Dive a waterfall, fly inches from a rock face, and then go into post-production and choose your shot. You can reframe the action to follow the subject, reveal the pilot, or pull a perfect 4K standard video, all from a single 8K spherical file. It eliminates the need for a spot-on composition during the flight. It turns every flight into pure creative potential. But how do they keep it invisible? The two high-resolution sensors are reportedly paired with DJI's most advanced stitching algorithm yet, making the drone completely disappear in the 360 footage, giving you that impossible floating camera perspective. Now, for the pilots, the flight mechanics. The biggest concern with any 360 drone is weight and flight time. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 utilizes a new, higher-capacity, 38.67 watt-hour battery, a significant jump from its predecessor. While FPV flying is notoriously battery-intensive, early reports point to a surprisingly solid 15 to 18 minutes of real-world, aggressive FPV flight time. That is a game-changer for a drone carrying dual 8K sensors. And safety. It's completely redefined. The dual-lens housing is flanked by a comprehensive array of LiDAR and visual sensors. This is more than just front and bottom obstacle avoidance. This system points towards near omnidirectional sensing. Paired with the new OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, the drone is reportedly capable of unprecedented range and stability, giving professional pilots the confidence to push the limits further than ever before. This advanced sensing also unlocks a crucial creative tool: AI-powered subject tracking within the